My name is Rihanna and my teacher is Srilekha Chinta, and I love her because she's so kind and caring, and one of my best projects might be the one I did in HTML where I had like 1,000 problems. I did so much wrong, but she told me how many things I do wrong, I get better at it when I practice, and that's why I also had homework and quizzes to make it much better and easier for me to learn in my lessons. And she's always very kind and caring, and I love her. Thank you. Bye.
Good evening. I'm Zarnish Arslan. I'm making this video for my special teacher Umme Hani. You are the best teacher I have ever met. You are very cooperative and a humble person. I have learned a lot from you throughout my coding journey. You will always stay in my memory as an amazing teacher. I even made this card for you for this special day. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day.
Hey Okumbe, thank you for being my teacher. I think, let me see. There's also another teacher I had, and I think he's better. But yeah, you're better. So thank you for being my teacher and teaching me all the projects. Thank you for making sure you can help me. Thank you for being my teacher. You are the best teacher I have ever. The only teacher I like. You're the best teacher ever. So the only project I like is treasure hunts because I took my own image. I was like, the car's way better than everything else. So yeah, that's why I like you so much. You're the best teacher. Thank you.
Hi Nazreen ma'am. Happy Teachers Day, and I wanted to tell you a few things. First of all, you're so sweet and you help me with every single problem. You clear lots of doubts. It's very fun going alongside this journey with you. And you're a very big chapter in my life. Learning coding was actually pretty good for me, and I hope to continue this journey with you. You are very kind and you're joyful, positive. I hope you remain like that. And once again, happy Teachers Day, and you're the best.
Well, my name is Kobi, and I'm here to talk about Mr. Kefa. Well, Mr. Kefa is a very nice teacher. His explaining can be easily understood. His classes are also fun, and I also like the way he calls me Kobichime. I really appreciate it, and it's kind of funny. Well, the best project I made with him is when I always create websites, and also my favorite website I created with him was the tic-tac-toe, the tic-tac-toe and the guessing number game. That's all I liked about him. And happy Teachers Day, Mr. Kefa. Have a nice day. Live long.
Hello everyone, my name is Ahmed, a student of grade 6 who lives in the beautiful city of Islamabad, Pakistan. I began my journey in 2024 when I joined coding with a lot of curiosity. Then I met my engine, Ma'am Ramandeep, who not only set my pace but also inspired me to think logically about the endless possibilities in the world of coding. Teachers Day, I'm super excited to pay tribute to her. Thank you, madam, for being a guide, a stepping stone, and someone who made my way into the world of coding. Your work and dedication has truly shown that learning has no boundaries, and a teacher like you is truly a blessing.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammed Mashan. I am 10 years old. I am learning coding from Ma'am Shahira Mohideen. She is a very good teacher with a very good teaching style. I wish the best for her. Happy Teachers Day, Allah Hafiz.
Hello, my name is David Paul. Happy Teachers Day. The thing I like about my teacher is she is very patient. She teaches me more about coding. Thank you. Happy Teacher's Day, ma'am.
Gurmata Pita Gurbandhu Sakha. Namaste, I'm Nanhan from Nepal. I'm really grateful to be a student of coding girl. My teacher's name is Nazreen Ansari. I like my teacher very much because when I join Scratch, that is very fun and creative work. She guides me kindly and friendly so I can finish my work quickly. I love my teacher very much. Happy Teacher's Day. Namaste.
Teacher's Day. I wanted to say a huge thank you for you being my coding teacher. I've learned so much from you and I really appreciate how you make complex topics so easy to understand. Thanks so much for your patience and for helping me every step of the way. You've inspired me to keep learning. Thank you again.